nigga toting. More guns than roses, foes is shaking in their boots. A visible bully, like the boots disappears and moves you back to me. Take them rhymes back to the factory. The gimmicks, the whack rhythms, the shillings, the pressing. Please forget it. You're mad cause my style you're admiring. Don't be mad, yes it's higher. The sugar in the top of hip-hop. With that freestyle, you're bound to get shot. Not the Houston, but I rap a lot. Rap a lot, the flames about to rock.
It's off the ground, baby, in your head. Got a new flavor in your hair. New flavor in your hair. Got new flavor in your hair. It's off the ground, baby, in your head. He said love. He said love.
That real. Yo.
Get the fuck up. Simon says, get the fuck up. Get the fuck up. Simon says, get the fuck up. Throw your hands in the sky. Music's in the back, sipping yak, y'all, what's up? Girls, rub on your titties. Yeah, I said it, rub on your titties. New York City, pretty committee, pity the fool that act shitty in the midst of the calm, the witty. Y'all know the name, Pharaoh fucking Monty, the damn thing came. You all up in your range and shit, inebriated. Straight from your original plan, you deviated. I alleviated the pain with long-term goals. Live my underground loop without the gold. You sold Latin around the world, I sold wood in the hood. But when I'm in the street and shit, it's all good. But soon the motivated room, you throw the game like cool. Radar rock clock, dollars, tips like a way to block shots. Styles way to let my lyrics annoy. If you holding up the wall and you're missing the point. Get the fuck up. Simon says, get the fuck up. Put your hands to the sky. Brooklyn in the back, you crash now, what's up? Girlies, rub on your titties. Fuck it, I said, rub on your titties. New York City, pretty committee, pity the fool that act shitty in the midst of the calm, the witty. Yo, where you at? Uptown, let me see them. Notorious for the 6'5s and the BMs. Heads give you beef, you put them in the mausoleum. And shit don't start pumping till after 12 p.m. Ignorant minds are free 'em. If you tired of the same old every day, you will agree 'em. The most obligated, hard and R-rated. Slated to be the best, I must confess the star made it. Somebody even say the song is sexist, cause I asked the girls to rub on the breasts. Whether you're riding a train or a Lexus, this is for either or, believe time X's is wicked like Exorcist, this is the joint. You holding up the wall and you're missing the point. Get the fuck up. Simon says, get the fuck up, throw your hands in the sky. The brothers in the back shooting fast now, what's up? Girls, rub on your titties. Fuck it, I said, rub on your titties. New York City, pretty committee, pity the fool that act shitty in the midst of the calm, the witty.
Listen, I want to say we appreciate your contribution to music. You feel me? It means a lot that you're here today, kicking it with us, man. That shit is special. This situation is special. You one of them ones, bro. So, you know, just allow me to give you some flowers real quick. You one of these guys, bro. That shit is fucking special that you here, man.